Happy Thursday. We're going to start off with our Thursday phonics, all right? So you repeat after me. Here we go with our rhyming. Tail, snail. Door, for. Man, ran. Rose, hose. Bell, yell. Awesome. All right, next one, we're going to do our first sound, our onset fluency. You repeat after me. Pig, p. Quilt, qu. Ran, Very, v. Was, w. Awesome. Next one, you need your choppers. We are going to chop up the pieces of a word, then say the whole word together. Ready? Hot, hot. Tail, tail. Vet, vet. Keep, keep. Hug. Very nice. All right, next one, we are going to punch it out. All right, so we're going to say the whole word, and then we're going to punch out the ending. Here we go. Love, v. Fox, x. Buzz, z. Keep, p. Dog, g. Nice one. All right, we need our choppers again. This time we're going to say the word first, then chop it up. All right, here we go. Kid, k, id. Can, k, an. Nap, n, app. Wet, w, et. Bug, bug. Very nice. All right, our next one is adding phonemes. Here you go. You got to get your hands ready for this one. All right, you're going to start with ut. Add k, cut. Ut. Add n, nut. Ut. Add h, hut. Ut. Add g, gut. Ut. Add sh, shut. Very well. All right, here we go. Next one we're going to delete. So you need this word in your hands and we're going to take something away. All right, our first word is cat. Without k, what's left is at. Bat. Without b, what's left is at. Rat. Without what's left is at. Sat. Without s, what's left is at. Hat. Without h, what's left is at. Very nice. All right, now we're going to continue with our rhymes. See if you can remember it from yesterday. It's going to get long. I'll repeat it. I'll start. You repeat it, okay? Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and can't tell where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home. Awesome. All right, we will finish that rhyme tomorrow. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.